Hello YouTube, and welcome to this first Scratch tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to do some basic codes and hopefully help you understand how the codes work. So as you should already know, all the blocks are colour coded, so it should make it very simple to find where a block is. So we're going to start in this episode by making a basic game of Pong. So we're going to start by creating a ball. So click the Paint New Sprite button, which is this button here. Choose the circle and make sure you got that one selected. Make it red and draw a circle about this sort of size. Now paint another new sprite and make it a green rectangle about that sort of size. Go to the ball and go to control and do one of these when the green flag is clicked blocks. Now this is basically when the green flag is clicked, that's how the program is executed. So that's how your things that should run from the beginning will start. So anyway, you got when green flag is clicked, we want it to move. So we're going to make it point downwards, and we're going to make it forever, which is in the control. So this will loop the command forever. Move 5 steps. So do the moves 10 steps block. Click on the text box and change it to 5. And then if on edge bounce, put that underneath, making sure it's in the forever block. Now on this green sprite here, which will be the paddle, we're going to do when the green flag is clicked, forever if. Now this basically runs a forever statement, assuming that this statement is fulfilled. So we could do in sensing key left arrow pressed. So it will always run this if the left arrow is being pressed. And we're going to make it change x by -5. And then we're going to right click on the green flag and press duplicate. Now that just copies the statement. So now we're going to change this to right arrow, and instead of doing change x by -5, we're going to do change x by 5. So -5 on this grid is obviously towards the left, assuming 0 is in the middle, and 5 is going right, again because 0 is there. So if we now press the green flag, we can see the ball does move, but it only goes up and down, and it doesn't hit the paddle because we've not put any codes for that in yet. So we're going to do control on the ball when the green flag is clicked, forever if, sensing. Now we'll do touching, click that and select sprite 2. Then we're going to do pointing direction. Now this will obviously change the direction of the ball, so which way it's facing and which way it'll move when you move it a certain amount of steps. But there's no specific angle we want it to aim at, is there? We only want to do it randomly. So we're going to go to operators and select this pick random block and put it in there. Now if you go look at this again, pointing direction, left is -90 and right is 90. So we want it to be between -45, so towards the top left corner, and 45 towards the top right corner. So that works. But to make this slightly more advanced, to make it so you can lose, we're going to click on the stage, backgrounds, and edit. We're then going to draw an orange block all the way along the floor. Then on the ball we're going to put a new code. When the green flag is clicked, forever if touching colour. Now click the colour and you get the pipette. Click orange. We're going to do control stop all, which stops all the scripts in all the sprites. But before it does that, we're going to do looks, say game over. So now the ball goes on there and it bounces like it should. If it goes there, it says game over and it stops. Right, save this game and we're going to continue with it in the next video.